this is my new electric kiln. I got it as just a little bit of an early Christmas present, and I wanted to start using it because of the fact that me and Davey and my family, we are starting a piggy bank. Well, mainly just me because I'm the one that typically pours, but Davey is my helper because we do everything together. Well, anyways, we are doing it mainly of bars this size. I think they can see, I'm not sure. Our normal size pouring bricks. We have a little mold right here, and then two skulls. One without the nose and one with the nose, but it don't really matter, to be honest. And then that's all what we're gonna put in the piggy bank, but it's one of those business. Davey, what would you call them?
Okay, I kind of challenged her.
No, what would you call those white tote things?
It's like one of the plastic companies, you know, the detergents they use to wash up the plastic parts. Well, we got a couple of those barrels.
Well, I'm filling up exactly one of those with nothing but brass and copper, maybe here and there a little bit of aluminum. Well, in a few minutes, or a few seconds, I'll pour brass skull coins. I don't know if this one's exactly called, but it's
just a little inglet.
Yeah. And then I'm using my big inglet for slag because.
And this is actually day 2. She did, I think, like 26.
The only thing I don't like about this is it takes a little bit to heat up, but that's nothing really wrong. But I've only melted brass in here so far. They give you gloves, new fuses, tongs, and a crucible for a fairly decent price. This has just mainly gotten for me to be able to keep going in the winter, and I absolutely love it.
Let me start.
I got it. I've already started.
Okay.
You can do it one after. Get out of the camera. It was just showing your phone. We're just gonna have to wing it. Why is it melting? Slag.
Doing so next. Okay.
There will be a lot of brass nuggets.
Yeah, I know. I can hardly see them.
Well, I needed to get the slag out.
I know.
Just look at the brass.
Yeah.
I should have shut it. Watch out, I want to do it. You did it all day. I'm not going to watch TV. Just put it in a bucket of water.
See if you can pull that out. It's not cooled off enough.
This happened the last time we poured it. One more time.
4 times.
What the heck? Davey, look it.
Yeah.
It has an indent in its skull. That won't have to be redone, will it?
No.
Look it. Move your hands. Stop.
Come on.
I don't like that you have an attitude on camera. Quit. Only thing bad is I'm used to pouring like back to back kind of thing. But with this electric one, you can only run it for 2 hours, and then you have to let it cool down for 30 minutes, and then you can run it.
Back up. Yep. Plastic.
Sorry, guys. What's even doing? Why do we know what to do?
Soon the smoke will be out of there. The shed filled up with smoke. There must have been some kind of plastic or rubber on one of the pieces, because it filled up quick. Still stinks. Do me a favor. Go grab a fan. So we can pump the smoke out of there. If you have to.
Should be about done.
A lot of smoke coming out.
A little bit. It's mainly building up right by your head.
Put a hole in the ceiling. Okay, this ain't gonna work here. Plug that in back there. That's better, Pearl. Come on in. Better than what it was.
I don't know about you, but that hitting the bandsaw is very annoying.
Oh.
It's starting to do that. It's okay, just close it. Are you bored this time?
No.
We have a whole brass pile over here. Bring it over this way, so I can see where the horse sitting.
Go ahead.
Is that even gonna fit?
I don't know. Probably not.
These all like pieces from past 2 days. Today and yesterday from, what was that, a lamp?
Yeah.
And then this piece is actually from,
Fire extinguisher made out of pure brass.
and don't ask us how we found it.
So she has quite a bit of brass to do.
So does Davey.
So if you're in a hurry to do these, this is not the way to do it. The propane ones are faster, but during winter, gives you something to do,
Unless you have a garage.
right? Unless you have a garage. But I'm not too keen on putting a gas propane forge in the shed. I have to cut that out.
At least, or twist it off.
Just set it over here.
We actually have a little tally chart of how many things we put toward doing better
Right now she's at 3.
for today.
I mean, we're not going to be on much longer because then we'll come back out later on today after dinner and we'll do a progress one,
Progress.
you know, where we're at. We'll melt a little bit later on tonight. So she'll probably pour one more time and then we're going to sign off and then do a little bit more and then shut her down, let her cool down.
getting an angle grinder? That is pretty loud for just an angle grinder.
I know. Excuse me. Yes. I'll drop it down that. Shoot, brass up. Got me again. each one piece.
Oh yeah, you did. They're levers.
Yeah.
I can't believe every piece on that thing was brass.
Yeah.
You know how long it would take them to cast all this?
A long time.
Not
Okay, I need you to readjust your camera.
why?
I have to run in.
I just had it adjusted. Ha. It sucks to be him. Yeah, he needs to clean the floor, and so do I. I just want to be able to get the lid down. I do want to say I'm sorry for not getting the video out within the last 2 weeks. I just been busy scrapping. We had to get our yard cleaned and all our scrap done. All the scrap we were saving for the midwinter, we had to get it done. I wish I would have had enough time to set up my camera to be able to show you guys, but unfortunately I did not. But next time, most definitely will show you everything we did, because we made decent money. I go back to the scrapyard on Monday to collect the rest of it. From just the computer boards and the copper wiring, it paid off. Don't hit my camera. He threw it at me. How dare he?
Cold?
I've been chilly. So Davey warmed up all his inglets this morning by using his heater.
I like how I'm going to cut this up to make it small enough to fit in that little pot. Too bad I couldn't open it up and we could just pour the brass into it. No, and fill it up, make it solid.
Inside?
Yeah. Make it a solid mass.
This is a brass piece. He'll get the little ones out, but I just want to get the big one out. Most of this will just get shifted through a strainer. I had to think of what it was called. And it'll go straight to the trash. If you want to get any mold for copper and brass, I would preferably get the graphite molds. A lot easier. Because then they don't like weld to them. Once they cool down, they typically just, you flip them over and they pop right out. Or once they cool down, you can just grab them like this and throw them in water. Close it, I'm going to pour after it melts. When you go inside again, can you please pull us something for dinner?
Yeah.
If not, it's going to be too late. What sounds good for dinner?
Food. What do you think sounds good?
I have no idea.
What do you want? I like to make get some hamburgers.
I could
Make
buy this.
hamburgers for dinner?
Buy them for tomorrow.
No, buy them today.
I'm trying to save what's on your card for tomorrow. Did you add stuff to it?
Put another 10 minutes. No longer.
I need you to clean the shower wall where the shower head is. Kill the spider last night. It was a daddy long leg. And it freaked me out. Because I literally was washing my hair, the spider was down on the wall. Turn around, I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. So he tried telling me, knowing you, it was probably just a little spider. The spiders here are actually really here. I'm like, Zoe, it was like that. I would not joke how big a spider is. I don't find it funny.
No, imagine you didn't.
Not when you're trying to get ready to wash your hair and you have this freaking spider behind you. It's like, what are you going to do, jump? Like, I just got over the fact of spiders being in the shower from like a month ago. Just for like a week straight, I was seeing a spider. Seemed like it, at least. How many times do you think we'll have another big thing after today?
A lot. Oh. I don't know, to tell you the truth.
welding?
Except for the steel.
What is it, like a small piece of steel?
Floating. It's ready.
Ready. You're gonna have to back up.
Yes.
There's just, we have limited space in the shed. I just wish, since we have a camp, that we had a little bigger shed. That way I can still use every last one of my tools.
Mm-hmm.
And use the belt grinder. No way. It wouldn't pour the ice, so I kept pouring. What the heck?
Messy pour.
Not normally.
This is Ebony being a pyro. She is trying to burn down our workshop.
This is the only workshop I got right now. Are they fine?
What?
Are they fine, or do you want me to remelt them?
Just... We gotta shut her down for the cool down now.
I'm sorry.
Watch out, let me in there.
If you don't like them, I will remelt them for you. Looks kind of cool, but why didn't it do the eye?
I don't know.
The same mold, the last pour, had that indent on the skull. Now this time it didn't put me in the eye. You want me to redo it? Is that the only one you got left?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so as Davey's gonna get those out, we have a total of 6. And I will, in about an hour, I'll start another video. But in the next video will be me and Davey telling you exactly how many we have for the whole day, and you'll be able to see more and the total we have for the day of dish day 2 and 3. No, day 1 and day 2 together. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.